probiotics in the present talk. Anyway, coming specifically to the women's health, microbes have special attachment with women because they are a part of the vaginal cavity. They have a role to play in first seeding of the child with microbes, and they are important in deciding the health and many other characteristics of child and mother both. So women's microflora has additional significant role to play because it decides the generations, coming generations too. And hence the microbiome of females, especially vaginal tract, has become more and more important. So we want to know that what probiotic can do for women. Everybody wants to be happy, healthy, and especially for the women, they want to be beautiful. Many more things will be there. So in these areas of the health, nutrition, and cosmetics, how the probiotic can play a role, that is the focus of today's talk. And I will share some of the work carried out with other people, as well as some of the examples of work carried out by two of my students for their work, one related to cream, probiotic cream for vaginal bacterial vaginosis, another for cosmetic applications. A lot of work has been done on probiotics, and it is continuing since the concept of probiotics was first put forth, or the world came to know about the beneficial microbes through the publication of a book called as Prolongation of Life, 1907 by Alan McNichol. And then many people started working on beneficial role of microflora in human health. And at the moment, we have ample evidence that probiotics have role to play, mainly in the gastrointestinal tract, and now it is extended to even brain and other bodies of the other organs of the human body. So role in relieving diarrhea or keeping your GI tract healthy, or immunomodulation, or anti-carcinogenic, anti-diabetic, especially when you take milk-based products, lactose intolerance, it is very important. But apart from the generic role, it has a specific role to play in the women's health. Digestive disorders, especially skin care, cosmetics. So here we'll touch up a little bit on skin microbiome too. And then it has a role to play, especially through gut and through other organs in immunity, the mood, especially connecting the gut-brain axis. And most typically is vaginal health and urinary tract infections and control of that, and